Hello students, good morning. This is your computer class. I am your computer teacher Hema. Today's topic is programming language and introduction. A revision over the topic. Before going into the topic, first thing is what is computer? A computer is an electronic machine that takes input, processes it and gives required output. So we need to give input, the input will be processed and we will get the output. When you need to give input, inputs are given in the form of instructions to computer. So the set of instructions given to computer are called programs. The one who writes the instruction are called as programmers. Now we'll see what is program and what is a language. Program. A program is nothing but the set of instruction given to computer. Now, what is a language? Why we use language? Yes, language is mainly used for communication. When you want to communicate with somebody, we need language. In the same manner, when you want to communicate with computer, we need language which is understood by computer. As you all know, computer is just a machine. So, it cannot understand any language. It can understand only two numbers, 0 and 1. These two numbers are called as binary number. Whatever instruction we give to computer has to be given in the form of zeros and 1. It will be understood by the computer and we'll get the required output. Now, types of languages. Languages are of three types: machine language, assembly language and high-level language. Programming language is nothing but language which is used to communicate with computer. Now, machine language. Machine language is also called as low-level language. These languages are in the form of zeros and ones. Here, the coding is written in the form of zeros and 1, which is understood by the computer, and the output also we will receive in the form of zeros and 1. These low-level languages are machine dependent. What is the meaning of machine dependent? The program coding written in one computer cannot be seen in another computer. Some of the difficulties of using this language is it is very difficult to write the coding, time-consuming work, and debugging is also difficult. What is debugging? The process of correcting the errors in the program are called as debugging. Second type of language is assembly language. Assembly language is also called as low-level language. It is a little advanced over machine language. Here, mnemonic operating codes has been used to make the program understandable. The one who writes the assembly language program are called as assembler. For example, when you are going to add two numbers, the code add will be used in the program so that it will be easy to understand. This is also low-level language and machine dependent. Now, third type of language is high-level language. High-level language are also called as human language. The codes will be in the form of English words. Compilers and interpreters are used to convert the English alphabet into binary numbers. So, before going into this language, if we type an alphabet in a computer, how the computer will accept it? Each and every alphabet characters will have its own ASCII codes. What is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This ASCII code will be converted into binary number, then the computer will understand. All these processes will be taken place with the help of CPU. As you all know, CPU is said to be the brain of computer. Processing is done using the CPU. So, high-level language are human language, which is easy understandable by human. Codes will be in the form of English words. These English words will be converted into binary number using the compilers and interpreters. So all these high-level languages will have its own compilers and interpreters. The example of high-level languages: C, C++, Java, Python. Here, high-level language in the form of English, converted using compilers and interpreters into machine language, that is 0 and 1. So when a problem has to be solved using a computer, how it will be done? First, you have to analyze and understand the nature of the problem. What is the problem? You have to analyze and it has to be understood. Then the required inputs to be given. What are the inputs you need to give? What are the methods you can use to achieve the required output? These three steps has to be analyzed. So students, in today's class we had a small introduction on programming language, its types of languages, and how to solve the problem using the programming language. Now here is an assignment for you all. How will you write a program? What are the steps you will follow? You will think and answer these two questions. Write a program to add two numbers and write a program to find the greatest of two numbers. The answer for these questions we'll see in the next class. Thank you.